everybody, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. In today's new video, I'm spray painting some vintage shelves I found while thrifting and estate sailing and whatnot, and they're really pretty. I hope you enjoy. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, check out any of my other videos you want to, and yeah. Also, down below is my Instagram, eBay, Twitter, PO Box, Instagram. Did I already say that? All that stuff is down below, so I hope you enjoy. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Did I ever say that again? I don't know, I just love you guys, and let's do this video. Okay, so here's what we got. We've got this beautiful piece. I love it. This brand, I really love this brand. I find it in thrift stores all the time. Usually has an MCMLXX, something like that. Made in USA. These are like really pretty. You can find these at thrift stores that are vintage, but they're really cute. Same with this one. Super pretty, and I just like to paint them. See, like there. I already did paint this one, and I never got some help hanging it up, so it's at my closet floor for the past year, and it's chipping away from the gold and the paint. So they're cute. This one just needs a little extra paint. So yeah, that's what happens. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and first clean these off. Just some water and a microfiber cloth to remove all that dust. And maybe in the future, someday in my life, we'll get these hanged up. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. This one's my favorite. Look at it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't even. Ew, ew, it's so dusty. Oh my gosh. Yeah, with painting antiques, you want to show the utmost respect. So I'm using microfiber cloths and taking my time and being gentle. Probably don't want to see my feet either. Okay, I'm gonna go put on shoes. That's usually helpful. And glitter. You need spray paint and glitter. And of course the figures you're gonna spray paint. Okay, let's get to it. So let's get started. I guess we'll start with this. We'll go ahead and patch up this one first because that side messed up. So yeah, go ahead and fix that real quick. There we go. Ooh, this is a fancy nozzle. Oh yeah, that's some good stuff. Something tells me we need a better angle. Ooh, that's so pretty. I painted my finger in my hands. I'm gonna go wash them and I'll show you the review of this shelf, which you cannot see, but oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Like, I can't even, like, I can't. Okay, here's the top, here's the front. It literally, like, it reminds me of those 1700s paintings. Pastel cloud. So yeah, that one's done. Let's move on to the other one. You see that spot? Look at that spot. I'm gonna fix this spot. This one's still drying because I fixed it, and it's gonna look so fabulous, and that car really loves to rev its engine. Okay, let's do it. Look at the can. My fingers are the paintbrush. Ta-da! Now it is time to let these dry, and when they're done drying, we'll glue on the crystals. Yay! Okay, yes, there's more sparkly things involved, so yeah. See you guys tomorrow. Hello, friends! So it is the next day, and these have dried, and they look amazing. I did happen to add a little bit more pink to this yesterday, as it wasn't pink enough. I added the glitter and whatnot. Yeah, they look really good. I left as much gold as I could on this one. Kind of got ahead of myself, but it still looks really good. Like, really iridescent and just pretty, and so yeah. And I went ahead and fixed up this one side. Not completely, but it looks pretty good, so yeah. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some crystals. Now add some of these crystals I found by I can't say that. Unfortunately, Swarovski no longer does art crystals, so we can't put Swarovski crystals on our work, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and decorate. Okay, so these are the crystals I got, and E6000 glue. I'm probably going to get, I usually like to use popsicle sticks in case the glue gets sticky and I don't want to get it all over my hands and, you know, make a mess. So, yeah, I'm gonna do it, so let's go. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Once again, I hope you enjoyed. Go check out any of my other videos now if you want to. And remember to hit that subscribe button. Instagram, Twitter, P.O. Box, eBay, all that stuff is down below. So yeah, you can go check that out. And yeah, go make some art and paint the world pink and pastel and happy. Love you guys. And yeah, see you soon. Bye.